Or at least it's morning for me. My name is Real Rhea, or Rhea if you can't pronounce it. That's pretty common. So I've got a lot of requests from people to start putting things on YouTube because I do a lot of DIY stuff. Number one, I'm just a real person, not a YouTuber. Number two, I do this stuff before very long work weeks. So I'm not going to spend time to do my hair or my makeup. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing and then go take a shower and get ready for work. So here's the basic intro, and the materials of each project will change depending on what project that you're going to be doing, or what project I'm going to be working on. But in general, what you want to do is, I live in Nevada, high wind area. So you're going to want to make sure your hair is tied back, nothing's obstructing your face. You may want safety glasses. Those are actually pretty helpful. You're going to want old clothes. You're going to want something that you can get thrashed up, painted up, whatever it is, and still not really care or be out of a lot of money. So in my case, it's super old PJs that I've had forever. But old t-shirts that you get from a thrift store or whatever will work. And without further ado, I will record my first video, or second video, considering the rub and buff, and then upload it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments. If you're gonna flame me, be aware it's not a good idea. I'm an extraordinarily sarcastic person by nature. I'm very friendly, but if you leave me stupid comments or you try to flame or troll me, you're not gonna like what I say in return. So just keep that in mind. Keep it civil. This is supposed to be a positive thing to get people to think outside the box, to try new things, experiment with different stuff. So by all rights, we should be helping each other and supportive of each other, not tearing each other down. But there are some people who are not going to listen to that, so you've been warned. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy.